Today we're going to be doing a giveaway since we hit 56 subscribers. Here's what we're going to be giving away. We are going to be giving away a bag of the new admin fishing poles. Alright, here's the bag right here. It's on a crowbar for some reason, but here it is. Tons of these lava fishing rods. Look at all these. Here's how you win. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and then comment. I'm done. If I can get 10 people to do all of that, then I'll give this away, and I'll spin a wheel, and whatever username it lands on, that's who will get this.